1 week, couple days remaining. I want to know if you're getting money in time.
Hello. You is my daughter. I am your mother. I need to support you to the end. I started supporting you from you was in my womb until I give birth to you. And the Lord is right there until now. From that day. God is in control of our responsibilities. Me no want you go take up.
But Mr. Ione, a God send me. That is simply what I am trying to say to you.
Hold on there, Mr. Freeman. I am speaking to my daughter. Give me a minute. Listen to me. You see anything free, never work out good. You go and receive something free from a man. Remember, him a go want back something for that thing that him give you free. You can't just see one man out the road and trust them like that. I cannot prove